Hello friends. Nowadays everybody calls himself or herself influencer. Influencer. Influencer is somebody who influences others, right? But according to me, every single human being who is living on this planet influences each other, right? So being an influencer, it doesn't mean that you're special or you have some special quality, right? But nowadays it is a trend that everybody who is a little bit famous on internet or on Facebook or on YouTube, they call themselves as influencers, right? But it is very important here to understand that how you are influencing others, what you are presenting, what value you are creating in the life of others. That is the most important thing to understand. Being famous or being well known is a very big responsibility. When people follow you, when people regard you, when people think you as an icon or idol, right? So it becomes a great responsibility for you to create value in their lives, to give them good direction, right? To give them good guidance, to help them improve their lives, to help them educate themselves, right? So it becomes a great deal of responsibility when you are famous. So those people who are calling themselves influencers, I just want to tell them that it's your responsibility to guide the society, to guide the youth in a better way, so they can improve their lives, right? I think around 6 or 7 months before, I posted something on Facebook, and there's a quote, right? I posted this quote on Facebook. It was written by me, right? It was my creation. I wrote that nowadays everybody is a celebrity. So in the next 10 or 15 years, most of the people will be celebrities. There will be no common people left, right? So just try to understand what I'm saying. And nowadays it's very easy to become famous because we have lots of platforms and everybody is working to become famous. So it's very easy nowadays to become famous, but it's really very difficult to maintain that position and to create a positive impact on the society and to guide people on the right path and to help them positively and to create value in their lives. These are most important things. Being famous is not important, but what you do after becoming famous, when you are in the position, right? What you do after getting that position, that is very important. So success and popularity and fame comes with a cost, and the cost is responsibility. And if you don't play the responsibility in the best possible way, then people unfollow you,